I had a comment the other day from some guy, and he was like, lol, this guy gets so excited over section dividers. And I was like, oh, do I get too excited over new features that Squarespace bring out? But whatever, I like to get excited. So there's another new feature that Squarespace have rolled out, or they are in the process of rolling out, and it is how to resize multiple blocks at once. This is going to be a really, really useful tool in every Squarespace designer's arsenal, because it allows us to grab, let's say, a text block and an image block and a button block all in the same section, highlight them all, and then just drag to shrink them all at once. And what this allows us to do is scale things down at the correct ratio. So let's say we made an image smaller on its own. Then we'd have to go and make a button smaller on its own, and then the text block smaller on its own. And we may get the ratios when we scale down incorrect. This allows us, like I say, to highlight everything and to avoid any mistakes. Now, I'm hopeful that this isn't just going to be a gimmick and none of us are ever going to use it, because I do think it's got a really strong use case. I'm trying not to be too excited so I don't get any more comments, but I am pretty excited because I think a lot of you are going to love this. I'll try and keep this short and sweet. So, to resize multiple blocks, what we want to do is go into Edit. We want to go into the section where we have blocks that we want to resize. So I'm going to go down here. I've already pre-made this section with 3 text blocks. We've got a scrolling text block and we've got a button block. So what I want to do is highlight everything. Then I want to resize it down here. See, it's not just to the side or up. We can do any way we want. So I'm going to do to here. Then I'm going to hit save. Then I'm going to exit. And the reason that this is like this is because I've had the text stretch out. So you can see I've got the stretched text. So when I exit, the text should all be scaled down. And you can see everything has been resized and kept at the same scale and ratio. Simple as that. Now, if we want to make it bigger, what we will do is just highlight everything again, drag it back out, hit save, hit exit, and it should have all scaled back up. There we go. Told you I'd keep it short and sweet. If you did find this useful, please make sure to leave a like, hit subscribe, and check out all of the Squarespace resources in the description below.